Hi, I'm Stephen Guerin, Chief Technology Officer of SimTable. Today I want to show you how the sandtable works. Here we have a sandbox with ordinary sand, and what I'm going to do is make a 3D topography and then let the computer scan it and give us the result. And here is the result. The computer has colored the highest points red, the next lower point yellow, and then green, cyan, and blue. The next bit we want to do is to load an area of interest, in this case Santa Fe. We're going to go out to the USGS and load the digital elevation model for Santa Fe. And then the computer is going to tell us how to mold the sand. And here the computer is telling me where to move the sand out of the areas of red over to the areas in green. And this will help me make the topography of Santa Fe. And so here is the 3D molded version of Santa Fe with the mountains to the east, the river valley, and the plains to the west. Right now I'm going to simulate a rainstorm with the water falling out of the hills down into making the Santa Fe River. The next feature I can add is the sun coming out of the southwest, illuminating the northeast faces. The next feature I want to add is the vegetation model, which I can get from GIS sources or satellite imagery. And here I have ponderosa pine in the east, some pinyon juniper, and then in the lower areas I have some grass and chamisa. Now I have two features I need for a wildfire. Fire wants to go uphill because I have slope, and the other feature is I have vegetation or fuel to burn. The third feature I need is the wind, and here I can set my wind vector to come out of the northwest, and my strength and direction is set. I have all of the features I need to start a wildfire, which I'm going to do right now. I'm going to load a simulation of a wildfire and spark it with a real lighter. And here you can see the fire starting and moving to the southwest. If I change the wind vector, you can see the behavior of the fire shifting and moving along with the wind. If I reduce the wind, you can see it's only a topographically driven fire. The next thing we want to look at is the traffic evacuation for this event. Here in red are the houses of Santa Fe, loaded from a GIS layer. Each house is generating 1 or 2 cars during the evacuation, which are indicated by these white dots. They're following the road networks, also loaded from the GIS layers. And here you can see the bottlenecks of the traffic in the lower canyons as the people are evacuating. Up here is the fire spreading to the northeast hills. This kind of view is very helpful for multiple agencies to come together to manage such a large event. So those are some of the applications we're developing in wildfire and traffic evacuation, and we're developing others. If you have an interest in these applications or potentially a unique application, please contact us. Thank you.